In mortgage lending, pre-qualification and pre-approval do not mean the same thing. Pre-qualification is an early assessment of your financial position to guide you along the home shopping journey. It's offered with the assumption that the information you've provided is true, knowing that that will all be checked again later when it's time for the real deal. The one that really matters is pre-approval, which requires a hard check on your credit and your financial standing. Pre-approval is actually a part of the mortgage application process that you can complete before you've bid on a house or ordered an appraisal. That's the only thing pre about it, is that it comes before those steps. From the lender's point of view, it's a conditional offer to make a loan within a certain window of time, pending the results from the appraisal and your financial position remaining the same. So here's how things might play out if you're a new home buyer. You start talking to your lender about how much down payment you can afford, which involves calculating your income, your assets, and your debts. This conversation doesn't require solid proof of anything really, and neither does the pre-qualification letter. The pre-qual simply states that based on the information the lender has seen, a borrower in your position could make X down payment. Does anyone besides you care to see this document? Possibly. A seller screening for serious buyers only might accept a pre-qualification letter, but they'd probably rather see a pre-approval. So why not go all in and get the pre-approval from the start? Well, if you're confident in the down payment that you can afford and you're ready to buy, go for it. The drawback one might consider is that a pre-approval requires a hard inquiry on your credit, which lowers your score by a few points. And nobody wants to waste a credit check, so you want to avoid doing this repeatedly. But the good news is, multiple checks within a certain span of time, 30 days for FICO, don't hit your score repeatedly.
That still only counts as one!
Ultimately, every home buyer has to do it, and they'll usually regain these points quickly. It's worth it for a house. So in summary, pre-qualification, not official. Pre-approval, pretty official. It's not the end of the road, but it puts you in the home stretch, and your loan officer will explain the rest from there. If you need a simple mortgage calculator to get started, I'll drop one in the link below, and you can check out our channel for more.